This is my entry for the MedGemma hackathon. So right now here is AuraHealth. AuraHealth is an agentic AI platform that transforms traditional passive patient directory into active intelligent clinical attention queue powered by Google DeepMind open weights gamma models via Dr7.ai Medical API and the latest Gemini front-end model. Right now we're in the dashboard, and the dashboard provide like the live AI monitor active interaction and triage reaction risks with high acute and moderate risks and routine and low. And this is your diagnose overview, where we have like three patients in the diagnose overview. If you go over to the diagnose overview, we have like three patients currently there. So let's have a rundown with it, starting from the medical research. Here is the medical research, which provide the real evidence centers powered by MedPalm2. So before we proceed in this, set your model configuration. You have to select whether MedPalm2 or MedGamma or whatever model you prefer. So right now I'm using Med. Let me switch to MedGamma for this case, and we save. We go back to research. See now is powered by MedGamma and Gemini 3 Pro with Google Search, and we are utilizing. So here is your suggestion that I've been listening. Provided now, let's go with the first one, and let's send. So this is the results. The clicker. Listen, I'm with the confidence rate high, and this is everything like it's analyzed like the research they provided, and this is the evidence visualization with this. And once written about the medical research, it gives you the access to the sources. You can always click and check with the citation, and continue a follow-up question. You can click whenever one of these, and it takes you through another query based on it. Like this is a full medical research that works with all users, and it has been generated in this thing with new visualize evidence visualizer. So to see previous this thing, you just click on the particular, it goes back to the whole sources, and this was the recent one. You click back, it gives you back the whole sources like for citation and a new follow-up question on this is for medical research. So if you move to the clinical queue, you're the patient are currently available here, but we have to add a new patient. So we move here and you click on the first patient. You need to add reference notes, present symptom and all that. Medical history is no medical history, no medication, no family history, no allergy. But you can still add those things. It helps to tell the AI towards the right path to follow. So we're going to add our document and we proceed. So it's going to take the AI time to analyze the document and provide the next step for our MedGamma model. So our listening is saved and is detected Anna. So here is Anna. She's 51 years. Well, and the MedGamma reason that she have this chronic listening is detected, and the risks of the users consistently. You can see everything here. So this is the summary of everything it generated, exactly stating the whole thing. You can check the user report, medical report for the doctor personnel. It looks into everything, and it's that the user is advised for immediate medical check or shift. You can close the report. Then here's the clinical plan, lab order for us to read there to confirm this. This is what it needs for to confirmation. Then this is the medication that the user needs to take, lifestyle advice to take this medication also. And procedure, this is the safety net is advice to seek me if she develops severe this. And this is all that have been there. So once the user is this is active, it sends to the clinical workflow this. So right now I want to accept the AI priority. You can view history of all the user. The user was registered 85% this priority accepted. Then now we can start diagnosis. This is the diagnosis which will be needed. We provided here scan, select the scan type for ANA-S. The MedGamma system automatically queue and process the information. Right now it's a MedGamma 2 this thing. Let me switch this right now here to MedGamma 2. Then we save, we go back to clinical queue and click on ANA-S. Start diagnosis. So it's MedPalm 2 system already. So you're going to be adding abdominal CTR scan. We're going to attach an image for it. Okay. So the image is attached. Remember the limit is 4 MB. So and we start queuing the diagnosis. So Anna is ready, and this is her score. So this is the result. So we can have a full scan view of here. It's positive, shows that it's positive. We close this back. It's saying that this kind of like a normal caliber and enhance this no evidence of acute inflammation process on lot of previous new native muscular appear that the pattern without a single anomaly. So it says that it's 85 confidence on this score it gave. So with this you can request a consult for honor S, or we can confirm finding. And once we confirm finding, our listing is complete. So this diagnosis center is powered by Biomed Clip, which is a vision model for everything. And this result is being scanned and everything, like its visual capacity, like the vision capacity. Then after its interpretation is sent to whatever selected MedGemma model you select, which right now I'm using is Med 2. Then as you move to AI Insights, here is currently our AI Triage risk trend with the AI accuracy, model accuracy. So there's a prediction alert. Right now, if you see the system now, this is the system monitoring that's watching everything. So let's run an AI analysis to confirm. It's saying the high index cluster of chlamydia and this, which is in these three patients combined with two pending screening, suggests an active community outbreak of risks of pelvic inflammation disease. So we should increase monitoring frequency, allow this and proceed close and close. Then this another one is an acute knee injury and tendency. With depending this to roll over. This is all the alerts left for us to check. And this is the uh, currently our patient Anna, which is AH1750, exhibiting high increased risk of ulcer. Pending this is required to monitor this. So this is watching the whole system to analyze and tell you the operation risks that this need to undergo. So here is our co-pilot. So you can always select whichever on is said order on this. So ask it. Yeah. So it says it's Olivia this on this. They are these three patients right here are the ones that have chlamydia and need active descent. So you can also still go since Anna was entering this. You can select specifically Anna and ask it. One good thing about this is the co-pilot doesn't hallucinate. It's based on what's reported and this. So this is the way to keep it in a huge human on the loop scenario. So if you move to clinical workflow, here you find the K-band interface for all the patients and their distance. So there is pending review, analysis in progress, consultation, and treatment plan. So let's use, for instance, you can always drag each one into a new section and you can process and tell you this is all the things going on with this. But let's go back in. And here you have an assistance tag. And if I click back on this, is so I can update it to move into the next distance. Just analyze that. If I click on it to refresh back, I can move it or move it to the next stage and all of that. Then this is our previous this in which we created starting this and it's always the AI workflow always take an action, think and look around the user so that determine action. This is whereby we can submit order or take notes. Then you save the notes and you can still choose to wrap it or other basic this thing and or you click notes whatever and work. And that is it. And we have a full disclaimer that says no medical advice, not for medical advice, just this and disclaimer like this, and this is the profile which can edit the profile picture. So that's it for oral health, and we still have further updates coming forward in oral health to make this a full AI automation workflow for medical institution.